Hi everyone. In how many ways can a club with 10 members choose a president, a vice president, and a treasurer? And we're also going to do in how many ways can a club with 10 members choose 3-person governing council? So for the first one, we're going to use permutation because order is important. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to write 10 P, and we're choosing 3. Now, that's going to give you, if you use our formula here, n factorial, so that's 10 factorial divided by n 10 minus 3 factorial. So that gives you 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial, which equals, and you're going to go all the way down to the 7 factorial. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial. So that's going to give you a total of 720. Now, the main thing you need to know about permutations is that order is important. And it's like when we did the multiplication principle, you could have done this problem basically like we did the previous section. You could say, well, we have 10 members, so I choose the first member and I have 10. Once he's chosen, the president can't be both the president and the vice president. So now that he's gone, or she, then we can choose a vice president, and then once they're gone, we choose a secretary, and there's only 8 left to choose. So permutations are just like the multiplication principle, where repetition is not allowed because order is important. It depends on what happened with the first number here. So you still get your 720. Now the second one is a combination. Order doesn't really matter. We can just choose three people. So basically that's going to be a combination. And you're going to do this as 10, choose 3. Just 3 out of the bunch. So that formula is there. And that's going to be 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. And you'll get used to this after a while. This is just going to be 10 factorial. And these two numbers should add up to 7. All right. And of course, you can put this in the calculator. You either can put it in this way, depending on your calculator. I mean, this way or this way. So this is going to be 10. You're going to pick the biggest factorial. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial divided by, and I put it usually right under there. I put it underneath the factorial. Now 3 factorial is 3 times 2. So what happens is these two cancel, and then 2 goes into 8 4 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So you basically have 12 times 10, which equals 120. So there's 120 ways a club with 10 members can just choose any old 3 people, whereas the order doesn't matter. Order's not important. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.